All right. Dobyns Maverick 7.3 mag heavy. Shimano 7-speed SLX. California swim jig. 4 3/4 whatever. Strike King Rage Tail electric shad. 20-pound Big Game Berkeley. Yes. Well, I made it down to the honey hole. Shallow. There's supposed to be water filled up down there somewhat. Here's the island. Bunch of rocks out here, bunch of grass. Fish always live here. This is where, if we're gonna catch one, this is where we're gonna catch one. I caught my biggest bass of my life down here. 2 5 3/4 right off this island with this swim jig. In the springtime, slow rolling it. Caught 5-pounders, multiple 4s. I mean, this when the lake was healthy. Still healthy, still some fish down here. Came down yesterday, wasn't recording, had a few strikes. There's still a lot of grass, so we'll see. Big hawk flying up there. You see that eagle hawk or something? There's another one over there. Look at him. I don't know if you can see it, but he is just in all his glory. Man, that's nice. That's awesome. Man, there's 3 of them. Can you see them? There's 3 of them up there. Hawks, eagles, I don't know. I'm just gonna come right through that grass. Thick grass too. I'm gonna come right through it. Just reel on through it. Might speed it up a little bit. That's when I'm slow roll it. Pretty windy. I'm in that grass patch. Real windy outside. Cast that thing right into that wind. No problem. Strike, man. Shimano SLX, man. I think I got all the brakes on. If I don't, there's 3 on, 3 off. I mean, this thing for $100, well, 114. This thing is just something else, man. It's just an amazing reel for the value the value for what you're paying. I mean, it's awesome. Of course, you know the Crowd K and 200. They're of course they got the dual brakes and stuff, but I mean, a half-ounce swim jig. I just launched it. Of course, it is a half-ounce, so we'll carry it. But what is that on the water right there moving around? Can't believe I'm not getting bit. Throw it out there on that grass line over there. Might let it sit for a second. Might jerk it a little bit. Might hop it. Coming over them rocks. Can't believe I'm not getting hit, man. That felt like a bite right there. Trying to get a fish an easy lunch. I don't know how much more easier you need it. There was that jig is still on the ground. I found a jig out here yesterday. Oh man. You know what? I'm throwing the spinner bait, folks. I'm gonna throw spinner bait on. Or could throw on a I'm gonna throw on this fluke. I'm gonna throw on this, just a 7-inch fluke or something. I think so. We'll see what's going on here. Throw on this fluke. I'm not getting hit on anything else. See if I can get this ready. What's up, George? You got it. Nope. No, sir. I just got down here probably like 20 minutes ago to this end of the lake.